Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If certain rooms in your home keep getting weaker internet while other areas work perfectly fine, setting up a T-Mobile mesh can help spread coverage more evenly. Sometimes devices disconnect in bedrooms, upstairs spaces, or corners of the house where the main signal struggles to reach. Even though the setup may sound technical at first, getting a mesh access point connected is usually much easier than people expect once everything is placed correctly. A few simple setup steps can often help improve coverage and make internet feel more consistent around the home. Let's walk through an easy way to set up a T-Mobile mesh access point. Try these. Step 1. Place the T-Mobile mesh somewhere between the main gateway and weaker signal areas. Step 2. Connect power to the T-Mobile mesh and wait for indicator lights to begin responding. Step 3. Open the app connected to the T-Mobile point if setup instructions appear there. Step 4. Allow the T-Mobile point to connect with the main internet gateway automatically. Step 5. Move the T-Mobile point slightly if signal coverage still feels weak in certain rooms. Step 6. Connect a device near the T-Mobile point and confirm internet feels stronger than before.